Hello, painting peeps, and welcome. It's Kathleen from Coz Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. I am glad you're here. We are working on a reused canvas. This is a 6x30, and I was fiddling with some things, but the black paint that I used kind of ate up my red. And at first I thought I would embellish this a little bit, but I'm like, nah, we're just gonna pour over it. And I'm playing. I used a pouring medium, new pouring medium a few months back, and it was explosive. It was explosive because I used it in every single paint, including my base coat. And I thought I'd give it another go. We are fiddling today with Amsterdam pouring medium. And what I did here is my base coat colors. I have two. We're being very simple here. Black and white. This right here is Artist Loft Soft Body in the black. And this right here is Artist Loft Soft Body in the white. And these two colors, my base coat colors, are mixed with my usual pouring medium. We have 1 part paint to 2.5 parts pouring medium. My pouring medium is 50% strained Floetrol, 50% Liquitex pouring medium, the one with the black and the gray label. And that's what we have right here, black and white. Very, very simple. Let's take a look at that consistency. Now, our base coat is a little bit thinner than our pour colors. We'll put those aside and we'll look at our pour colors or our swiping colors. We're going to be doing some swiping today. Right here in this cup, we have Artist Loft Soft Body in the black. Right here in this cup, we have Artist Loft Soft Body in the white. These two paints are mixed with the Amsterdam pouring medium. We have 1 part paint to 2 parts of the Amsterdam pouring medium. Perfect consistency. I did not need to add any water to these two paints. I did add a little bit of water to our base coat because I like it a little bit thinner than my swiping colors. We have right here some damp paper towels, Bounty paper towels, don't you know? They're the right weight for me once they're wet. I stack them up on this paper plate, cut them to whatever size I want, and just pour from my squeeze bottle, water on the bottom, flip it over, water on the other side, and I let them sit right here next to me. Now, because this canvas is so black, the area I'm doing a split base, black on one side, white on the other. The area where the white base coat is going to go, I'm going to go ahead and brush paint with some white because the base coat is kind of thin and I'm afraid this is going to show through. So we're just going to get fiddling with just some black and white and see how our Amsterdam pouring medium goes. Guys, thanks for being here. Let's get busy.
Got to know you before you faded away. I got to know you, got to love